With Twinson decking, you're the proud owner of the ultimate outdoor ground cover solution. An eco-friendly choice that will give you pleasure for many years to come. Comfortable to the touch, a pleasure to look at, and available in a variety of colours. A perfect match for any construction project, even in our wet climate, because Twinson decking is highly water and slip resistant. Twinson marries the durability of PVC with the warm look and feel of wood. A new material with unlimited applications. Twinson was designed to offer maximum comfort with minimal effort. If you'd rather have your decking installed for you, contact your local De Koning distributor. You can also take a look at twinson.com for extra information or to download the installation manual. Twinson, easy to install, easy to maintain, easy to love. These are the tools you'll need. A spirit level, a tape measure, a miter saw with a fine-toothed carbide blade, an electric drill with HSS metal drill bits, a jigsaw, and a power drill driver. The Twinson decking has two usable sides. You can choose between a deep groove pattern or a more refined finish. Because of the wood particles, Twinson profiles will stabilize to their final color after a weathering out period. The decking is available in two sizes, 4.5 meters and 6 meters long. The support profile is used for the substructure. It has a rectangular cross-section and can be used lying down as well as standing up. The fixation bracket invisibly joins the boards and produces a fixed gap of approximately 4 millimeters between them. The aluminium starting profile and the alternative F profile can be used to start or to finish your decking. As alternative finishing, you can also use the plinth, which is fixed to the supports with the specially developed Twinson screws. If you don't use the plinth, use the end caps for finishing the heads of the planks. Twinson decking planks must be mounted onto a solid substructure. This support frame, in turn, needs to be fastened to a solid foundation. This can be a concrete slab or any kind of stabilized underground. Never mount the decking planks directly onto the foundation. Water drainage and expansion are very important. Ensure a completely level foundation. Leveling of the profiles is not allowed, nor is using leveling blocks. The required slope of the foundation is 5 millimeters per meter away from the house. If these criteria are met, you can set about organizing your substructure. For this, use the Twinson profiles. These should be spaced maximum 50 centimeters apart and fixed into the foundation permanently every 50 centimeters by means of non-countersunk screws. Always pre-drill them. Leave a gap of 2 centimeters between consecutive supports to allow water runoff. When you need to fix a support profile close to a wall or any other vertical partition, leave at least 5 millimeters. A decking plank should always be carried by 3 support profiles at least. The maximum overhang of the planks is 5 centimeters. With the preparations out of the way and the framework in place, the decking can now be put in place. First, the planks need to be cut to size, taking into account an expansion of 3 millimeters per meter. Both ends of the planks need to be cut to ensure a perfect cut and angle. Fix the F profile onto each support with the stainless steel screws. It's necessary to pre-drill the profile and countersink every hole so that screws can be sunk sufficiently. The aluminium starting profile can also be used to start the decking. Now position the first plank by hooking it into the starting profile. With the plank firmly in place, slide on and screw down the fixation brackets onto each support profile with your drill on low speed and high torque. Never place the brackets between the headed joint. The plank should be placed in the same direction. Otherwise, the incidence of light may produce unwanted color differences. A small tab inside one of the profile chambers indicates the correct position. Where two planks meet head-on, add an extra piece support and use two brackets. Make sure there's an expansion gap of 10 millimeters. Maintain a gap of 10 millimeters for lengthwise positioning in reference to plinths and 4 millimeters for transverse installation. If your decking is longer than 6 meters, use planks of maximum 3 meters long. Check if the planks are still parallel to the first plank at regular intervals. The decking should end on either a full plank or a plank that's been cut to strict measurements. We finish using the F profile. These are available in a range of colors and need to be fixed at every 60 centimeters with Twinson screws. An alternative way to finish your decking is by gluing the aluminium starting profile to the support with two-component polyurethane glue. Please degrease the surface in advance and roughen up the surface for good adherence. The plinths are the last possible finishing. Attach them with Twinson screws at a maximum of 300 millimeter intervals into the support profiles. Pre-drill the plinths at 3.5 centimeters from the bottom and drill the first hole at 3.5 centimeters from the edge as well. Ensure that the plinths are supported across their entire length. An alternative way of finishing the heads of your decking is by using the Twinson end caps. Glue the end cap to the decking using two-component polyurethane glue. After installation, gather all the leftovers in the special Twinson bag and hand it in at your local Twinson distributor. De Koning will ensure that all these materials are recycled, respecting the environment. There, you've done it. It's time to enjoy your Twinson decking. The natural comfort it offers, the way it fits in perfectly with your surroundings and the environment. 100% recyclable, 100% dependable. Even though Twinson is a robust, durable and low-maintenance outdoor solution, it goes without saying that with good maintenance, you'll be able to enjoy your decking for many years to come. Ordinary dirt and marks can be removed using water, a mild cleaner or bleach and a sponge. Then rinse copiously with water. For burn marks, rub gently with steel wool or with a metal brush in the direction of the grooves. Twinson O-Clean is ideally suited to take care of most vegetable, animal and other oils and fats. Spray Twinson O-Clean on the dirt, let soak for a few minutes and rinse well. Twinson decking can be cleaned easily with a high-pressure cleaner from a distance of about 30 centimeters and with a maximum pressure of 100 bar and a wide beam. Work in the direction of the grooves. So, spread the word and show your Twinson decking to everyone you know. But most of all, enjoy it, come rain, come shine, for a very long time.